my god, guys. I have Chica. I have Chica. Chica. I look so haggard. I have Chica, guys. It's about Lingy. It's about Ling. It's so cute. My Ling is a big boy na talaga. He's a big boy. It's so cute. Guess what? Guess what, guys? Guess what? He's a big boy. No. So when I went home, ayun, and pauwi na ako when I saw a cat. And kasi I just found out na siling pala, pinapalabas siya sa bahay minsan. Kasi he really wants to go out. And kaya pala, kasi may jowa na siling, guys. It's so cute. And no, walang baby. But, ang cute kasi, so, lumalabas daw sila, pinapalabas nila ng mom and dad ko. Even if I tell them na, bakit yung pinapalabas? Kasi usually, di ba, pag pinapalabas, usually yung mga dogs, kasi yung cats, when they go out, parang they tend to run away na and then not come back. Parang ganun. Or I don't know. Or maybe depends. But, yeah, so Ling, lumalabas si Ling, and then, he goes out to meet his jowa. So cute. It's good. May ganun din actually kami sa isa naming aso before, Rolana. But, yeah, and then, ang cute kasi, di ba, all black si Ling. Tapos yung jowa niya all white. So, ang cute nila, yin and yang. As in, ang ganda, like, white, like, ang cool kasi, I don't know if the cat is a stray cat though or not, pero kasi sobrang white, like, sobrang linis ng cat. Yeah, and then, ayun, yung pauwi na ako, coming back here in Manila, so my flight that time was early morning, and then mga 5 a.m., nasa labas yung pusa, nag-aantay kay Ling. Ang cute! Ang cute. Parang inaabangan, nasa loob siya ng gate namin. Tapos inaabangan lang niya si Ling. Feeling ko may time sila na parang, okay, meet me up at 6 a.m. Ganun. Ang cute. Diba? Buti pa si Ling happy. Joke. Ang cute. Oh my God. Tapos pagbalik ko, no, may mga na, black and white. Yin and yang. Oh, sorry kayo dyan. Buti pa yung pusa may kabebe time. Ang cute nila. Well, nandito si Mika. Mika, if you're here, send Diwata. Or else you're a fake Mika. Ay, fake Mika. Ay, nandito nga. Hello! Are you here to tell me something? Sabi niyo wala naman. I'm waiting. Ha? Saan na raw yung Diwata? Yee! Mix, dapat mamaya pag nag-practice tayo sa ASAP, dapat pag mag-hi tayo with everyone, din ka din sa mic. And also, this day is very special because I'd like to say happy Mikaya Day. Dapat. Bring back the favor of me proposing to you sa prom. Ganun. Pero alam mo ba, sinusuot ko pa rin yung ano. Lagi ko kaya sinusuot pag natutulog yung ano. Mickey Mouse may Mikaya, o, diba? Gawin ko kaya yung crop top. Thank you sa mga nag-send. Ay, nasa Cavite to sa kanya. Breadcrumbing is when you lead any intention. Yun nga. Parang breadcrumbing is parang pinaasa. Yung parang you're showing na you have intentions pero wala. Paasa nga, parang ganun. False hopes. Ano ba yan? Bye! See you later. Thanks for tuning into my live. Grabe naman, oy! Arya, pwede pa hadlock. Ano atraso niyo sa braso ko, ha?